afternoon. Today I prepare for lunch Parangika palkut, red pumpkin palkut. It is very easy to prepare and also good side dish for chapati and dosa. First you have to boil half cup or 1 cup of red pumpkin parangika. Alla cut pannittu enough water you add and little salt and boil it for 10 minutes. After it cooked well, you keep it aside. Then for this making paste, you have to grind half cup grated coconut and 15 pieces of cashew nut and boiled milk half liter or 250 ml, whichever your requirement. So make a paste and add to this red pumpkin, boiled red pumpkin. And after it boil 10 minutes, you have to add sugar, enough sugar for taste, the sweet good only. Then ghee or coconut you can take, mustard, kadugu, 2 red chilli pieces, then little more urud dal. உளுத்தம்பருப்பு கொஞ்சம் கூடவே போட்டால் வாசனை and also mandatory கருவேப்பிலை. It is very important to give more aroma for this கூட்டு. Okay, after adding all this தாளிச்சு முடிச்சோன்னு கூட்டு is ready to serve. For this combination, fried cauliflower with pepper, then potato fry also good for combination for all this. And also today I make kottamalli tohaya. Thank you for being